Hi everyone, my name is Zuli Rain and I'm a product marketer here at Medium. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a clickable table of contents that you can put in any Medium story. Why add a table of contents? Because it's a great way to help your readers easily navigate your story, especially if it's a little bit on the longer side. They'll be able to click on any section of your table of contents and be taken directly to that section. Okay, the first thing you need to know is that's a little bit technical, so just know that we're going to be going through this step by step, very slowly, so you'll be able to follow along and easily add your own table of contents, even if these are some steps that you've never done before. Okay, so the first step is that you want to make sure that your story is already ready to go and it's all formatted the way you want it. You need to add headers and subheaders to be able to create this table of contents, so go ahead and add those in by using the big T or the little t if that's what you prefer. Once your whole story is ready with all the headers and subheaders the way that you want, you can create the table of contents and make this look the way that you want your table of contents to look. So here you can see that this is the line I've added where I want readers to be able to click on this and go straight to step 1, add your subheaders, that section that I've created in my story. Okay, here's where we're going to get a little bit technical. Go to the header or subheader that you want to be the first link in your table of contents. You're going to right-click it and select Inspect. This is going to pull up the developer tools. This can look a little overwhelming. The only thing you're looking for right now is this highlighted line. It'll come pre-highlighted when you click Inspect. And within that highlighted line, you're looking for name. Name is what the back end, basically like what the website thinks that subheader is called. Obviously, we've given it a name in English, but the computer behind the scenes has given it this code name. So that subheader to medium.com is known as 44C1. That's the name that you're going to want to copy. You can go ahead and do that for all the headers and subheaders that you want. Copy it and write it down here just for easy reference. 44C1, I see that this one is 52EF. And once you have all of those, you can move on to the next step. Go ahead and go to the section that you want readers to be able to click on to navigate to the section that you've identified the name for. Highlight it and click on the hyperlink button. Then type hashtag and paste the name of that section that you've just found out. So in this case, 44C1. That'll add a hyperlink, and now you'll be able to test this for yourself. When you click on that, it'll open in a new tab and it'll take you directly to that section that you've identified. You can repeat that process for all the steps in your table of contents, and then readers will be able to easily click and navigate your story no matter how long it is. Okay, that is how to add a table of contents on Medium. There is a second way that's a little bit easier. That is a Chrome extension. It is called the Table of Contents Chrome extension for Medium. I'll include the link in the video description of this video so you'll be able to check it out if that's what you want. It's not owned by Medium, it's not run by Medium. We can't officially endorse it, but as a personal Medium writer, that's what I use when I use Chrome. If you don't use Chrome, or if you prefer not to use any Medium non-official tools, this process will work for you just as well. It's just a little bit more complicated. Okay, now you can move on to step 8. Sit back and celebrate as your readers are able to enjoy your easy to navigate story on Medium. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.